Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video review. So I'm Aline, and you know what? Today I really wanted to come here to talk to you about your hearing. So people nowadays tend to have a lot of hearing problems, and that's completely normal due to technology. But today I want to talk to you about NeuroRise. So make sure you stay right there and watch this video until the last minute because there's so much you have to know about it, okay? And if you don't want to miss out on important alerts, precautions, and things like that, just be patient because this video will not take much up of your time. Now, if you want to purchase NeuroRise, the only place you're going to get it is on their official website. So I'm pointing down here because I left the link there for you guys in the description box just below this video. Guys, so NeuroRise, as I was saying, it is a hearing supplement, and we all know that nowadays lots of people tend to lose their hearing like at an early stage, as like a long time ago people would enter old age still hearing properly and basically lose their hearing while they're like in their 60s or 70s or something like that. But nowadays young people are struggling with hearing because of like technology, because of I don't know, like inflammation, toxins, pollution, things like that. There's so many things that can ruin your hearing. But thankfully, NeuroRise was created. So NeuroRise is a supplement that was based on 100% natural ingredients. So you're getting the finest plants, herbs, vitamins, things like that, that go inside each and every NeuroRise capsule, and it will help you fix up your hearing. Basically saying NeuroRise will find any inflammation, any damage that maybe your hearing is facing, and it will fix it from the inside out. So you guys are going to like repair any damages and also regain your hearing back, which is really great actually. So you don't need to spend lots of money on expensive doctors, on surgeries, or even medication that are full of toxins and chemicals. I mean, NeuroRise, it is a supplement that is 100% natural, so you guys have like absolutely no side effects, no contradictions. It's safe, Today, like right now, lots of people are using NeuroRise because this is actually a really great solution and it has proven to work. So like it really does deliver what it promises, and it also helps to prevent future hearing loss, So NeuroRise is like a supplement that will fix up everything that's going on in there. And it will also help you to fix up your cognitive abilities, such as like it will help you have better and clearer memory and remember the things from the past. Focus, you're going to be able to focus more without being distracted so easily. And also like you're going to have more mental clarity as well. So like NeuroRise brings a lot of great benefits, There are other benefits that you can read about it on the official website as well. So once you are like committed, you're like, wow, I want to give this a shot, It is recommended per the manufacturer that you do like a 3 or 6 months treatment, because since it is natural, it will not give you results overnight. But you have to make constant use of it every day because don't forget it's a treatment. And sooner enough you're going to start to realize these results because you're going to be hearing more clearer, thinking much more better. So NeuroRise does work, but you have to be patient, okay? And for like whatever reasons at all, if you need a refund, you guys are backed by a 60-day money back guarantee. And don't get me wrong, like 60 days is more than enough time for you to get results out of it. So think about that, all right guys? Give NeuroRise a shot. Your hearing will be so much more better. It will get rid of any inflammation, and also your overall health will be taken care of as well. So visit their official website, check it out, and don't forget, that's the only place you have to purchase it, okay? Thanks for watching this video. I hope I have helped you out somehow. I will see you guys next time. Bye.